Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about when technology and humanity grows. Television sets, mobile phones, and computer and humanity. Technology keeps on progressing due to the changing times and environment, and also to ever progressing mind and mankind. It would not be possible for all this technological advancement to exist if it were not for the brilliance, creativeness, and power of the mind. The same problem is faced by technology. Although it has been very helpful to people, it is still not immune to criticism. The same problem is faced by technology. Although it has been very helpful to people, it is still not immune to criticism and backlash. Various ethical dilemmas has been identified throughout time, involving the use different technological devices and its affects the humanity. Different problems arise when either the technological device available is misused or if it was invented to produce bad results. People who are aware the possible dangers of use and misuse the technology are not keeping still. They lay these dilemmas for the public to see, they realize what they are in for. It's important to remember that technology itself isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how it's used. The brilliance and creativity you mentioned play a key role in ensuring technology is used for good. However, the potential for misuse and negative consequences cannot be ignored. The ethical dilemmas surrounding technology and taking proactive steps to address them, we can ensure that technology continues to benefit humanity while minimizing potential. This requires open dialogue, collaboration, and a commitment to ethical principles from all stakeholders involved in the development of use of technology. A number of technological devices can be easily found inside the home, the most accessible price to anyone. It can easily be inferred that these technological devices are some of the most popular of commonly used types of devices across all genres, age groups. Almost all households, if not all, own this type of devices. To be more specific, these celebrities in the field of technology are television sets, mobile phones, and computers. People all over the world use technologies every day to accomplish different purposes. Technology devices such as television sets, mobile phones, and computers have become integral parts of our daily life. Television sets provide entertainment and information, while mobile phones keep us connected and provide various functionalities on to go. Computers, on the other hand, have become essential for work, education, and leisure activities. Their popularity and widespread use across all age groups highlight their importance in today's society. These devices have become essential part of our everyday routines. First, according to Cantor Media, one of the most trusted television audience measurement providers in the Philippines, 92% of the urban homes and 70% of rural homes own of the last one television set. It is for this reason why television remains to be ultimate medium for advertisement placements. Manila Times 2014. This survey simply shows that almost all Filipino use this particular type of device. In fact, Filipinos are believed to have this big fascination of television. Most of the time, they watch television during their free time or any time of the day when they have nothing important to do. In addition to this, Cantor Media also reported that in Philippines, the current count of households in television set already reached 15.135 million. NUDA 2012. This number signifies something that is television plays a great role in lives of the people. The statistic from Kantar Media Indeed highlight the significant presence of television in Filipino households with the high percentage of both urban and rural homes owning at least one television set. That indicates that television remains a powerful medium for advertising in the Philippines. The fascination Filipinos have with television is evident as it is a common pastime for many, especially during free time.
Roles played by robots. Just like a people living in society, robots are also have their own set of the rules and characteristics that define what a good a robot is. These laws are formulated by Isaac Asimov back in the 1940s when he was thinking of the critical consequences of the robots. These are the following laws. Laws 1. A robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come or harm. Law 2. A robot must obey the orders given by human being except where such as order will conflict with the first law. Law 3. A robot must protect its own existence as such protection does not conflict with the first and the second law. Robotics and humanity. They will be held by their instructors, perform inspections, gather data from previously explored areas, and perform science experiments to help us understand the environment. Robotics and humanity. Another great product of the innovative minds of the people, these robots are now widely used to the International Federations of Robotics, IFR, and United Nations Economic Commissions for Europe. UNECE made it their task to formulate working definition for service robots. A preliminary extract of the relevant television is IFR 2012. A robot is activated, machinist, programmable in the two or more axes with adult robot honor degree and autonomy mooring within environment to perform intended tasks. Autonomy in this context means the ability to perform intended tasks based on the current state and sensing human intervention. B. A service robot is a robot that they perform useful tasks for humans or equipment, including industrial automation application. C. A personal robot or a service robot. Personal use is the service robot used for no commercial tasks, usual by layperson. Example are domestic relevant robot, automated vulture personal mobility assess robot, and pet exercising robot. Robotics and humanity. They will be held by new instructors, perform inspections, gather data from previously unexplored areas, and perform science experiments to help us understand an environment. Ethical dilemmas face robotics. One of the ethical faced by robotics is safety. Who should be held accountable if someone's safety is the compromised by the robot? Who should be blamed? The robot, the agent using by robot, or the maker, inventor of the robot? Another ethical dilemma faced by a robot is the emotional component. This may be a little observed as the moment by looking at how fast technology progresses nowadays. It is not completely impossible for robots to develop emotion even 2007. Problems areas wherein the robot deviates from the laws specified, the maker or the inventor or the machine develops the ability to think for itself. In this case of that should be land can be maker or inventor that the robot itself. This is it because in the first place the maker give the robot capacity to think for it itself, so he should be very much aware its possible consequences in the addition since the robot thinks for itself whatever decision it makes, whatever consequences it may bring, the robot itself should be held responsible. So, critical dilemmas for robotics. Robotics may not to ensure a human being or throughout inaction allow a human being to come to harm.